Hey everybody, today we are making blueberry buckwheat pancakes. Yum, who doesn't love pancakes? Yeah, stick around. Buckwheat blueberry pancakes, let's get started. So we have some buckwheat flour here, and fun fact, buckwheat is not a grass and it's not related to wheat at all. Don't know why it got its name from that, but it's actually from the seed of a flowering plant. So there is no grains in this lovely baby. So we've got our buckwheat flour, and don't forget that the recipe ingredients are in the description at the bottom of the video. To that we're going to add our baking powder just to make it nice and light and fluffy, which we like. A couple of spoons of sugar, and I'm using coconut sugar. Going to give that a bit of a stir. All our dry ingredients. Make sure there's no lumps of sugar. And then we're going to add our wet stuff. So, vanilla. Everything is made better with vanilla. About a tablespoon or so. We have 1 egg. We also have some coconut yogurt, which is going to give it a nice fluffy texture as well. And we have some homemade almond milk. If you want to know how to make that, check out our video and make it yourself. And the final ingredient is a little bit of olive oil. And that's a light olive oil, not the heavy virgin olive oil. All right, now let's get a whisk and give that a really thorough mix. Might seem like a lot of liquid, but buckwheat is a very heavy flour substitute, and so you need a lot of liquid, otherwise when you're eating it you're going to be like, and that's not fun. So, good old whisk, mixing it through, and voila, all done. Now I'm going to reuse this jug. Actually, I don't think that'll fit in there. There's a bigger one that we had earlier. And this will help when we pour it into the pan. It'll be a lot easier to portion it. Now, if you were to add your blueberries now, you'd have a very cool looking purple pancake mix. But I'm going to add them as we're cooking. All right. Now, traditionally, you would leave a pancake mix for about 5 minutes to develop. Let's go ahead and leave that for 5 minutes and come back to cook them. So we're going to put in, make sure your pan is quite warm. Just pour in just enough batter because it will spread a bit more. And then get your fresh blueberries and just sprinkle them on top. So as the pancake starts to, you'll know when it starts to cook well on the other side, because you'll get all these air bubbles breaking on the top. And if you just feel the sides, you'll notice that it's quite firm. And that would be pretty safe to flip now. Look at that. All right, and then we just leave it for a couple more minutes to do the other side. Also, the other thing to note is don't try and rush pancakes because you want them cooked through properly. Otherwise, they'll be doughy in the center. So you want them quite hot, sizzling, but not smoking. Okay, here's a little tip for you to keep your pancakes warm. Get a nice clean tea towel and pop them over the top. Okay, lucky last. And there's our stack of pancakes, buckwheat blueberry. Let's go put some yummy toppings on them. Oh yum, one enormously big stack of blueberry buckwheat pancakes. Now I recommend that to serve it, you get yourself some delicious coconut yogurt and pick whatever brand you like, but I would recommend just a plain or a vanilla yogurt. Yum. Some more fresh berries. And some maple syrup to taste. Now you don't have to do maple syrup, but it's pretty good on pancakes. Yum, look at that. That is one amazing looking stack. Can't wait to get into that. Hope you've enjoyed this recipe. Sorry, my mouth's watering. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have, please leave me a message, hit that like button and leave me some comments, and would love some support, so subscribe and hit the bell to get those the videos into your inbox by email. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I certainly have. I really look forward to the next time when we meet. Take care, bye. Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of our recipe thingy. Hi, today we are making buckwheat blueberry pancakes. Hey everyone, this is the one you've been waiting for, a good alternative for breakfast. No, not alternative. Stick around and we'll get... Am I redoing that?